So here we have an Audi TT Quattro. It's on a Y plate, in for full valet for a pre-sale. It wasn't too bad. It had rained the night before, or a couple of nights before, so it had a sort of layer of sand on it. The inside wasn't too bad, but there was places that definitely needed attention. So here I'm just putting on a multi-purpose cleaner for the tyres and the wheels. Using the little detail brush to get into all the small places. And this is just a pre-rinse. Next, shampooing the bodywork. And then using the little detailing brush again, just to get into the Weber strips, and followed by the door handle. Now giving it a final rinse down. Then drying with the drying towel. Now I'm putting on Orglim Super Resin Polish and taking the polish off. Next is the exterior glass. That's with Orglim fast glass. It was quite a hot day actually, it took a while. Now applying the tyre dressing. And that's the finished result on the exterior. Now onto the interior with the hoovering. It wasn't too bad, but you can see where the floor mat's been, and a slightly different shade of blue. This is hoovering inside the dashboard. And then the lower part of the dash. Sorry if parts of this video is a little bit glitchy. This is my second attempt of putting a video together with all the clips using Premiere Pro. Now onto hoovering seats. And the rear of the vehicle, passenger rear. And then into the boot area. Then by the side of the seats and the kick plate. And then round the dashboard and all the binnacle. And then starting the shampooing process. This is the passenger front footwell, and I'm using the Aquarius Pro Valet. Then into the passenger rear. onto the boot. It's quite a big boot on the Audi TTs. Now I'm doing the Y-pin stages, all the dashboard, all the plastics, seats. Some areas I'm using a microfiber, other areas I'm using a small detailing brush. And again I'm using all-purpose cleaner. And doing the mats. This is a soft brush I'm using, it's actually a really good brush. And now the shine on the plastics, that'd be like dashboard, door cards, kick plates, just to brighten up the plastics a little bit. And this is putting on some leather balm onto the seats. And this is the final result of the interior. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, please leave a comment, please consider subscribing to the channel, and I hope you all have a good day. Thank you.